Welcome to our guide on how to announce your marriage on Facebook. Let's go through the steps together. 1. Begin by launching the Facebook app on your Android device. 2. Tap on the What's on Your Mind section to start creating a new post. 3. Scroll down and select Life Event from the options. 4. Choose Relationship from the list of life events. 5. Select Marriage to share the news of your special union. 6. You may also have the option to include the name of your partner and the date of your marriage. 7. Tap Next at the top right corner to proceed. 8. Utilize the audience selector to determine who you want to share this significant moment with. 9. Finally, tap Post at the top right corner to announce your marriage to your Facebook friends and followers. By following these steps, you can celebrate your love and partnership by sharing the news of your marriage on Facebook, allowing your social circle to join in your happiness. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has been helpful in explaining how to post about your marriage on Facebook. Share your joy and excitement with your Facebook community by following these simple steps. Stay connected and celebrate life's milestones with your friends and family through this feature on Facebook.